Heading out of Port O'Connor, gonna go through Port Lavaca and up to Victoria. Port Lavaca to the Walmart is 1/2 hour drive. Home Depot and Lowe's in Victoria is a 1 hour drive one way. So we try to get a bunch of stuff at a time and come back, so you don't have to make too many trips. I plan 3 to 4 trips max. So this is my second trip. Alright, we're in Port Lavaca, getting ready to head towards Victoria. This is Texas country down here. Not much out here. So many choices here at Lowe's. Picking up some wood for the framework. And like I said, so many choices. But you gotta be careful. Some of this stuff's not too straight. 1 hour away from Port O'Connor, picking up materials. We'll be back home and start back to work in about an hour and a half. Using a pocket jig. It's like a Craig's, but it's not the same thing. It's just a pocket jig. A whole lot cheaper, and seems to work just as good. Nice hole all the time. Let me show you the pocket jig just in case I didn't get it right. It's adjustable from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, which is nice. It's got a little magnet in here which helps center that clamp. So it works pretty good. When you get on the roll, it's pretty quick. That's all there is to it. And it has a nice quick release feature. Just pop it out. And pop your bit in and you're ready to go. Alright, we're going to put the first piece together. Okay, back with the glue. It's just a tight bond. So I glue and screw everything together. This will be the inside of the frame. And I use that backstop so I can put some pressure on it. I had to go to Port Lavaca this morning to get some more screws ran out. I was going to get some when I went to Victoria, but forgot it. So there we go. Alright. So for the 3/4, you use the 1.5 inches. Use a square bit. Okay. Okay, the kit came with star bit bits, but the replacement screws here, the new ones, where am I here? Here we go. Are a square bit. So I have to get my square bits out. But it's okay. Doesn't matter. Get these lined up on the edge. Pressure them both down. Snug them in. It makes a very solid joint. Now I'll do this 3 more times on this one and 3 more times on the other side, and then I'll get the cross pieces made. Put it back together completely. Here is the first side of the second half. I have one already built in the shuttle bus, and this is the first side of the second crate. Yeah, that makes sense. I'll put together the other side, and then I'll put the stringers together, and it'll be done, except for the skinning. I'm adding a couple more braces in here for basically a future idea, and I'll show you later on if this idea pans out. I'm not sure how it's going to go yet, but I'm hoping that it'll work out. If it does, it'll save me a little bit of building time and trouble later on, which would be nice. So I'll put the other one on the other side, and then I'll take it in the bus and fit it. Okay, brought the 2 frames in, and they're in position. Inside of this storage compartment will be my fill tube, and besides that the water pump, which will pump to the sink right over here. And then there'll be another small one across here, and my Murphy bed sits up right here. And it folds down this way. So what that extra support is for is so that the Murphy bed can sit on it, and it will support right down to the floor. I don't think I'm going to need one across. I'm going to look at it and see. Well, working on the 2 side storage bins that work double time. When the Murphy bed is down, these support the Murphy bed, and when the Murphy's bed is up, then these become cushioned seats with storage under them. I haven't glued the front here on because I want to clear coat everything front and back before I do. And I kind of like these screws, the screw and wood look, so I think I'll continue that throughout the shuttle. Oh, and again, everything I'm doing, everything I'm building is being done strictly with Ryobi tools, battery powered. I don't have any corded tools whatsoever. So this whole build is being done this way. And I purchased all these tools, so it's not a recommendation for Ryobi. I purchased every tool you see here, and I've got another one coming in. Alright, back to work. Have these two built and got the faces put on them, the skin on them. And just a touch over my tape line, which is not bad. That blue tape line there is the one end of the bed, so the bed will lay right down on these. And there's the other side of the bed. Again, that's a freshwater tank filler, and the pump will go beside it to pump out to the sink. The kitchen will start right here against this and go across here with the refrigerator. Pull out refrigerator freezer there. Sink will be right here. Stove will be right here. And this is going to go all the way to the top, and that's going to be for spices and utensils and stuff like that. So when we come back here, as we come off here, again, these will do double duty. When the bed is down, there'll be the support and storage. When the bed is up, I'll have a foam pad, seat pad, that'll go on top of each one of these, and this will be the drop down dining room table off the back of the Murphy bed. So you'll be able to sit on either side and eat here. And then of course up here I'll have my flush light. And then from here over across here is all the custom cabinets, and they'll go all the way to here, and then I'll have some upper overhead cabinets here, small ones. And then down there, HD's taking up the toilet area and closet. So it's starting to come together. So far, no major problems that I can see, but we'll see as we go on. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again soon.